What's up, bro? How y'all doing today, man? So at the conclusion of the video, y'all, this is like my most anticipated thing I wanted to do for y'all. I've been wanting to do this for like a long time. Now that I got my collection nice, it's time to show y'all my bike collection, man. This is for my real lifestyle. This is for my real Wreck My Nature people, the ones who been with me since I only had one bike, and now I got 4. So let's get it, man. Welcome to Jacob's Lifestyle. Here go my bike collection. And look, boom. My first bike right here, y'all. This is my first bike. The first bike I ever brought. I brought this for my birthday. I want to say like 2019, I think. Brought this for my birthday, maybe 2019. This was my birthday present. Yeah, man. Brought this one for myself. And I've been riding ever since on this thing, man. She been holding up. We missed her for a few. She got some upgrades. She used to be red. Now she white. You know what I mean? With the orange highlights. And then the 525, you know. This was going to be the raffle video, but enough people didn't enter the raffle, so I had to call it out before I put myself in the jam. You did. Hey, let's go right here. See this right here? It's the 250. It's that 2018 thing, Wreck My Nature stickers all over it. Worldwide Bike Life stickers all over it. You know. And this is my 250. This is the baby right here. I like this one. I ride this one a lot. It's reliable. My sticker's messing up. It's the baby right here. Alright, now this bike right here. This was Hannah's bike. She sold it to me so she could buy a car. So I brought this bike from her. It's a CRF 150. I brought this bike from her so she could buy a car. This is my 150. This one I'm really not all the way a fan of because it's a small wheel. You feel me? I want a big wheel, so Hannah said she want to buy this one back, and later on in life, I'm gonna just give me like a brand new big wheel. I ain't gonna lie, brand new big wheel, 2021, maybe. Don't hold me to that. Or I might find a little better, cheaper big wheel somewhere, and I might just buy that. But this is my 150 right now. And see this right here? This is the new baby that y'all seen earlier. You dig?
I ain't even showing them yet. Put it out real quick.
My 2017. Oh, I wish. It's my 2007 CR85 big wheel. You hear me? Big wheel, not the small one. This is my CR85 big wheel, not the small
big wheel,
one.
not the little one.
You see it? Yeah, she Christian. Let me see how many kicks. Let me put the gas on. I gotta get used to that, and I turn the gas on and all. See how many kicks we got.
Ooh, one kick shorty. One kick shorty.
My last 2 shows was the 85. It was a Suzuki. But that was before I was like really Jacob's Lifestyle. I was just like little Jacob around here riding dirt bikes. Let's start this 150 up. I don't know how many kicks this one gonna give us, y'all. I don't know. Let's see though. I'm doing everything. Using my choke.
150 kicks.
And I'm using my hot start. So let's see. Let's not use a hot start.
Thank you, asshole.
Woo!
Yeah, again.
What's wrong with it? She don't want stuff. Let's see what else we can do. Put the choke in. Gas
Can I
on.
see my room?
Huh?
My room is empty.
one too. I'm liking this one. I'm liking where this is going. Let's go ahead and start my electric starts now. We get to the easy stuff, man. Like nice and little smooth. You dig? Everything cold right now, so I ain't gonna abuse nothing. Now that sounds good. Oh my god. Let's go ahead and start the 525 up, man. Then we gonna go ahead and get this thumbnail. That's gonna conclude the bike collection video. And I'm gonna need y'all to get this one right here to 200 likes. Not 100 likes this time, y'all. 200 likes. We need 200 likes, man. And let me know what y'all want to see on these on my channel. I want to do some races. So yeah, I want to race these four-wheelers. You did. Here we go. Thank y'all for tuning into the lifestyle. As y'all know, today is baby Jake's birthday. Hit the comment section down below. Tell that boy happy birthday, man. Go to his Instagram, Bike Jesus Jake. Wish him a happy birthday. And this is my bike collection.
This might be heaven on earth to others, but I'm just thinking about murking others. We just swerving, it's me and my brothers. We not nervous.